Hey everyone, welcome back to Invest with Sense, your daily dose of crypto news in under 10 minutes. It's March 29th, 2025, and we've got 5 big stories from the crypto world today. From major company announcements to market fluctuations and regulatory updates, we're covering it all, so buckle up, grab your coffee, and let's dive into the wild world of crypto. Remember the Luna and UST crash? Yeah, that was rough. A lot of people, myself included, were really burned by that whole situation. Well, Terraform Labs, the company behind the whole thing, is finally taking some steps to make things right. They're launching a claims portal on March 31st where investors who lost money can potentially recover some of their losses. Now I know what you're thinking, is this legit? After all the legal battles and drama surrounding Terraform, it's natural to be skeptical, but this move to establish a claims process does signal that they're at least trying to repair their reputation and rebuild some trust. If you were impacted by the Luna and UST collapse, you have until April 30th, 2025 to submit your claim. It's important to note that this doesn't guarantee you'll get all your money back, or even any of it. But it's definitely a step in the right direction. Honestly, I'm cautiously optimistic about this one. It's a long road to recovery, but this claims portal could provide some much-needed relief for those who were hit the hardest. I'll be following this story closely and keeping you updated every step of the way. Talk about a power move. Marathon Digital Holdings, the Bitcoin mining giant everyone knows as Mara, just announced a massive $2 billion stock sale plan. And what are they planning to do with all that cash? You guessed it, buy more Bitcoin. This is a huge deal, guys. This move could make Marathon Digital the second largest publicly traded holder of Bitcoin, right behind MicroStrategy. They're basically doubling down on their bet that Bitcoin is the future. Now I know what you're thinking, is this genius or just plain crazy? Bitcoin's price has been known to swing wildly, just look at the past year. But Mara is playing the long game here. They're betting that as more institutions and individuals adopt Bitcoin, the price will continue to rise over time. It's a risky strategy, no doubt. If Bitcoin tanks, Mara could be left holding the bag, but if their bet pays off, the potential rewards are enormous. This is definitely one to watch, folks. It could be a game changer for Mara and the crypto world as a whole. Chapter 3. Remember FTX, the crypto exchange that imploded in a spectacular fashion? Yeah, that was a wild ride. Well, after 3 years of investigations, lawsuits, and bankruptcy proceedings, FTX is finally starting to pay back its creditors. Starting May 30th, creditors will begin receiving a portion of the $11.4 billion that was recovered during the bankruptcy proceedings. Now, I know what you're thinking. $11.4 billion? That's a drop in the bucket compared to the billions that were lost. And you're right, it's definitely not a full recovery, but it's a start. This is a major milestone for one of the most infamous implosions in crypto history. Think about it. For the past 3 years, creditors have been left in limbo, wondering if they would ever see a dime of their money again. Now, they're finally getting some closure. It's a long road to recovery, but at least things are moving in the right direction. It's a reminder that even in the volatile world of crypto, justice can prevail, even if it takes time. This news won't erase the pain of those who lost money, but it does offer a glimmer of hope and a sense of accountability. Chapter 4. Alright folks, time for a reality check. Bitcoin, the darling of the crypto world, isn't immune to market forces. It's down to $82,000 today, and a lot of people are feeling the heat. Over $300 million in leveraged crypto positions were liquidated in the past 24 hours alone. So what's going on? Well, it's not just Bitcoin. The entire market is experiencing a pullback. Investors are getting skittish about riskier assets, and crypto, as we know, is still considered high risk. There are a few factors at play here. We've got ongoing global economic uncertainty, rising inflation, and the looming threat of recession. Plus, the Federal Reserve is expected to announce more interest rate hikes next month. All of this adds up to a whole lot of uncertainty in the market. And remember, crypto doesn't exist in a vacuum. It's influenced by all the same economic forces that impact traditional markets. When the stock market takes a hit, crypto often follows suit. But hey, don't panic. Volatility is just part of the game in the crypto world. What goes down often comes back up. This could be a great buying opportunity for those who believe in the long-term potential of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. As always, remember to do your research, invest responsibly, and only put in what you can afford to lose. Chapter 5. In a surprising turn of events, the FDIC, the agency responsible for ensuring deposits in U.S. banks, just made a major announcement that could be a game changer for the crypto industry. They're reversing their previous policies that made it incredibly difficult for crypto companies to work with traditional banks. For years, crypto businesses have been complaining about what they call Operation Choke Point 2.0, the idea that regulators were quietly trying to cut off the crypto industry from the traditional banking system. This new move by the FDIC seems to address those concerns head-on. This is huge news, guys. It could pave the way for more mainstream adoption of crypto by making it easier for businesses and individuals to move money between crypto and traditional finance. Imagine a world where you can seamlessly pay your bills, get paid in crypto, and manage all of your finances from one place. That's the potential here. Of course, there are still hurdles to overcome. Crypto regulations are still a work in progress, and it's unclear how this new FDIC policy will be implemented in practice. But it's definitely a step in the right direction, and a sign that regulators are starting to take the crypto industry seriously. This move could be the catalyst for a new wave of innovation and growth in the crypto space. I'm excited to see how this plays out. So what do you think of today's stories? Is Mara's Bitcoin bet genius or risky? And will the FTX payouts bring any closure? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss your crypto updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.